always remember to wash your hands. So anyways, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj and you're watching PR75K. And I know it kinda has been a long time since I actually uploaded something, but this time I'm back, for real. So in this video, we will basically look how you can find some great music for your videos. So I won't be recommending NCS or Epidemic Sound or any other paid subscription. So this is how you can get some free good music that no one else uses. So we'll speak about that. So if this video helps, then please hit the like button. And also you can follow me on Instagram to get in touch with me. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it does help me a lot. And also if you don't, then you know what I'll do. And try not to use NCS anymore because every other YouTuber is using that. So people might just have heard the audio already. So you want to give them something new. Your audio is as important as your video. Always keep that in mind. So where can we find something in script NCS? So we'll come to that later. But I just wanted to say this. Alan Walker Fate is basically the national anthem of YouTube. Not even kidding. Like almost 90% of the YouTubers have at least used that song once in their lifetime, I guess. So basically there are many other platforms where you can find copyright free music, like this one by Spinning Records is one of the biggest record labels in electronic dance music is concerned. So you can use some of them, like they have many great copyright free music by some of the quite known artists, like music by Lucas, Sagan and others, Drop Gun and some other stuff. So those who are into EDM, you might know them. You might. We even have Lost Stories over here. So Lost Stories fan, comment down below. So just like the Spinning copyright free music section, you can have some others, like Trap Nation has their own copyright free playlist. There's another channel like NCS called Vlog No Copyright Music. And also if you have the budget, you kind of want to just get a subscription of Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound, so that will basically help you in that. But still those music will be used by someone or the other because it's on a public platform, so everyone will be using it if it's a good piece. So if you want to stand out with your music, then this is the best tip I can give it to you. So for example, let's take Spinning Records only. Just search this on Google and you'll get this website. So this can be a very good tool for you if you want to use music that no one else uses on YouTube. So this is the best platform out there. So how you can use this to your benefit. Also, before I continue with this video, I just want to make this clear that there are a few additional steps you have to do if you want to use the music that no one else uses. So this is the way which you want to do if you don't want to use a random sound which every other YouTuber uses. Like I've been saying that a lot, but this is how you can use it. So this is their website. And you have various tracks like most popular and other stuff. So let's view the complete list of the most popular tracks. Now there's a section called genre. So you can go ahead and select the kind of music you want. For example, if you are having a very chill out kind of vlog, so there is a genre for chill out music. So you can just go ahead and click that and you can listen to various music over here. Alright guys, so let's just discover some great music together. So let's start off with the first one in the list itself in this chill out section. So this one might be used in the fill in your vlogs. Yeah. This is something that's perfect for a background music material. So I definitely recommend this. So I might just do this myself as well. So if you want something else, like let's go for trap this time. Or maybe pop, whatever. So let's see our track music. So like this, just hover over the website and check all the songs which are out there. So I prefer that you use only original songs and not remixes like this one by Billie Eilish, Bad Guy. So try not to use those kind of songs. Use only original music you find. So for example, maybe I just want to download this song Destined or Destined, however you pronounce it. So what I basically do is go to the artist profile over here. So he or she might have given their Instagram. So you can just open the Instagram accounts and then you can just hit them on the DM on asking that you like their music, so you want to use their music in your videos. So shout out to this guy, Shri Music or Shry Music, I don't know how you pronounce it. So shout out to this guy for this video purpose. And like this, you can just DM him. On Instagram, you can just hit them up and asking them that you want to use their music in your videos. You'll be giving the desired credits, like the link of the Instagram, SoundCloud, Spotify, whatever they ask for. So most of the time, if they reply, they will say yes, because they want to be promoted, because they are new upcoming artists, so they want promotion. So most of the time they will say yes. But many a times you might like tracks though. For example, this dude, I don't think has an Instagram. I was checking few minutes back, so he doesn't have an Instagram, so it's most likely we can't reach out to him. But you can drop a comment in his song. Like, for example, there is a comment section over here. You can just log in and you can add a comment that you like this song. So in the comment, just drop down that you want to get in touch with him. So you can ask him for his email ID or Instagram ID, and then hit him up and ask permissions, like I said previously. So that is one thing you can do if you don't find the Instagram handle of that account. So my main point of this video is use music by unknown artists. So artists who are trying to get fame but their music are fire. So you can just simply hit them up and they'll mostly say yes. So in this process, you are using music that no one else uses, and also you are supporting a new artist. So that is also a good thing out there. So always support your artist friends, guys. Do that. You are helping them and you're helping yourself as well. So this is kind of a cross promotion thing. Like, he's giving you music and you're just promoting him in return. So this is something you can do if you want to use music that no one else uses. So other than that, I'll be just linking the Trap Nation playlist and the Spinning copyright free music links in the description, so you can check them out if you're interested in them and you don't want to go through all this process. So you can do that as well. But if you have some spare time, then you can just do this and ask for artists to use their music, and most of the time I promise you they'll say yes. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you learned something new, because you won't have any such problems because you are getting the permission from the artists themselves, so you won't be getting any copyright issues. So yeah, that works. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And also, if you have any questions, then you can just shoot me a DM on Instagram, or you can just drop a comment down below. So that will work anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, hasta la vista.